Hi all, welcome to the world of GK for learning general knowledge. Today, let's learn some diseases and their common names. I also included some related facts. Let's start. Biology, diseases and their common names. So first let's start with Black Death. Black Death is nothing but plague, and why it got that name Black Death means the main symptom of plague is blackened lymph nodes. That's why it got that name Black Death. Next one is White Plague. White Plague is nothing but tuberculosis. So tuberculosis is its common name and White Plague is the another name. Next one is Koch disease. Koch disease is also tuberculosis. So tuberculosis has two names, White Plague and Koch disease. So it got that name from Robert Koch, and he is the scientist who discovered tuberculosis bacteria. Next one is killer pneumonia. Killer pneumonia is SARS. Expansion of SARS is severe acute respiratory syndrome. So SARS is known as killer pneumonia. Next one is grid disease. Grid disease is nothing but AIDS. So AIDS is the common name. Here also SARS is the common name, but the another name is killer pneumonia. So next one is Slim disease. Slim disease is also AIDS. So AIDS has two names, grid disease and Slim disease. AIDS expansion is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Next is Graves disease. Graves disease is nothing but exophthalmic goiter. And exophthalmic goiter is characterized by hyperthyroidism. That means excessive secretion of thyroid hormone. So exophthalmic goiter is known as Graves disease. Next one, Wales disease. Wales disease is rat fever. Next is leptospirosis. Leptospirosis is also another name for rat fever. So rat fever has two names, Wales disease and leptospirosis. Why it got that name leptospirosis means the bacteria causing rat fever included in the genus Leptospira. Next one is breakbone fever. Breakbone fever is nothing but dengue fever. So dengue fever is known as breakbone fever. Next is marsh fever. Marsh fever is malaria. Malaria is spread by the mosquitoes, and so it got that name marsh fever. In marshy areas the mosquitoes will be more. Next, Hansen's disease, leprosy. So it got that name Hansen's disease. Why? Because Mycobacterium leprae, the causative organism of tuberculosis, was discovered by a scientist named Hansen. Next is Bleeder's disease. Bleeder's disease is nothing but hemophilia. In case of hemophilia, there are two types of hemophilias are there, hemophilia A and hemophilia B. In case of Bleeder's disease, this is hemophilia A, and here deficiency of clotting factor 8 is occurs. So hemophilia A is caused by the deficiency of clotting factor 8. Clotting factor 8 is a factor that helps in blood clotting. So there will be impaired clotting. So next one is Christmas disease. Christmas disease is hemophilia B, and Christmas disease also you can tell another name for hemophilia, but in Christmas disease this hemophilia B type. And why it got that name Christmas disease means the first patient in him the patient In him, the disease detected. His name was Christmas. So he was a 5-year-old boy, and for the first time, the hemophilia B was detected in him. So got that name. Next one is the factor deficient in Christmas disease is factor 9. So factor 9 is the clotting factor deficient in Christmas disease. But in case of bleeders disease, that is hemophilia A, clotting factor 8 is deficient. Next one is royal disease. Royal disease is nothing but hemophilia. It got that name royal disease because for the first time it detected in royal families of England, Spain, etc. Next one, leukemia. Leukemia is nothing but blood cancer. So blood cancer is the common name of leukemia. Next is hydrophobia. Hydrophobia, the common name is rabies. And the hydrophobia word means fear of water. Because of their difficulty in swallowing. Because the hydrophobia patients has the difficulty in swallowing and they cannot drink water. So they show some hurry and nervousness when seeing water. So it looked like panic to water. So it got the name hydrophobia. Next one is German measles. German measles is nothing but rubella. So the common name of German measles is rubella. Next is shaking palsy. Shaking palsy is Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's disease is otherwise known as shaking palsy. Next one is flu and August fever. Influenza. Influenza is the common name and influenza is known as in two names, that is flu and August fever. Next one is pertussis. Pertussis is whooping cough. So whooping cough is a common name and the original name is pertussis. And pertussis is characterized by severe whooping cough. That's why it is known as whooping cough. Next is rubiola. Rubiola is the another name for measles. And the last one is morbilli. Morbilli is also another name for measles. So measles has two names, that is rubiola and morbilli. So that's all about today's class. If you like, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon to get all the notifications and share to your friends. Thank you.